Monday Fun Day. Look at that. Beautiful. What a day. Well, today, Monday Fun Day, is it's actually me and Kat's anniversary. 3 years today. She's working all day, but we went out yesterday. We had a lovely time. We went because, we wanted to try out the food. We went and checked out the Hot Fish Club. So we went out to Hot Fish Club. We're celebrating our 3-year anniversary. Kat's wearing her necklace, which is my present. It's genuine ivory. It's an antique necklace I found though. I found it at the shop. So I was saying how I wanted to try out the food here. So what better opportunity? It's really nice. I mean, we obviously enjoyed hanging out there. I enjoyed going the other day. We had a couple drinks. Hung out by the marsh. And and then we went and had dinner. Well, we finally ate at Hot Fish Club. Yeah, I was gonna say that's your verdict, Kat.
That's my review.
Yeah, it was so good.
Yeah.
No, it really was. Honestly, I was even surprised at how good it was. Well, we hung out at the bar for a while, then we went out for dinner. We started with what? It was the shrimp and crab crostinis.
Oh yes.
Like crab dip with like a couple little shrimp on each one and some toast.
Yeah.
Very good. A little spicy, but it was a good kick. I liked it. They warned us about it being spicy, but I didn't think it was worth warning. But yeah, some people.
Wow, it was mild.
Yeah, it was very good. And then I got the Low Country Boil, which is just a bucket basically of amazing shellfish and local everything, and potatoes, sausage, everything. Kat, you got maple glazed salmon?
Maple glazed salmon with jasmine rice.
Looked good. I tried the salmon, it was good.
So good.
And you tried some of my boil.
Yeah, some of the mussels.
Those green mussels are massive, man. Like, I'm so used to the regular mussels you get. The green ones are like 2-3 times as big. Look again sometime soon?
Yes, definitely. We have the dessert next time.
Yeah, there we go. Well, I mean, we go up a lot of different places, and you know, it was a pretty reasonable price for oceanfront dining with fresh local seafood. The boil was very reasonably priced. I was surprised at that one. You can go to some places, a boil's like $50, if not more. It was like $26 for a boil, and it was a decent sized amount of food, man.
Yeah,
I was full. You keep cursing on my show.
Realized it after I said
Over and over again. These New Yorkers.
Just really good. We had a really good time. The place is nice. It's a fun place to hang out. But yeah, just all in all, it was a really nice day. Hanging out down in the inlet. It's such a lovely area. So yeah, we celebrated our anniversary. And then today, since she's busy all day, and I work the rest of the week, it's adventure time. We're gonna go have some fun.
Mahini no iba leila sa seo ikaw levana Ua maavalika ay alamihila sa seo ikaw levana Iwi yevndo hakalawla sa seo ikaw levana Below can keep cleanly lust. How's the go never on? Hey, come on, in no kali hila, saseo go never on. Ua maavalika inu piela, saseo go never on. Mahini no kapala mala saseo ikaw levana Ua maavalika ay laikila saseo ikaw levana Kainei hoi toki kalala saseo ikaw levana Saseo ikaw levana Kei kamahini no kakaakula Saseo ikaw levana Ai ka papa ABC la Saseo ikaw levana
Pier 14 is always loads of fun. It's been standing here since like the 30s, 20s, 30s, something like that. I always forget. Just a neat little place. Nothing special. Little outside bar. But great views. Another cool thing we get out here in the dunes and in the bush is wild raspberries. You can can make them out, but they're everywhere. And of course in the dunes, you want to leave them be because they're for animals to eat, but if you find them out in the bush, man, they are tasty. There's also all the new work they've been doing on the boardwalk here, changing everything out to like synthetic wood. I've been seeing a lot of people don't like it, a lot of hate about it, but I don't know, I think it looks nice. I mean, safety's always my priority, man, and literally last time I was here, I see some little kids, just like this, run across the boardwalk to go see their ma. The little girl stopped dead. She's like, starts screaming. You can see everybody on the boardwalk knew immediately what it was. She got a big old splinter in her foot from the wood. They'd fall apart every year. This is a good economical way of dealing with that instead of having to get a new boardwalk every other year. The real clincher is, honestly, if they did it different, they probably got a deal. That's what I'm guessing, is they got a deal because they just bought a bunch of different colors and this is the best way they could set it up. So like, if they had spent all the money to make it all one color or to do something different, I bet y'all be complaining it was too expensive. You know what I mean? I think our city does a great job with stuff like this. Safety first, right? So this is actually the Boardwalk Arcade, the Gay Dolphins Arcade. And this, I believe, is the oldest one. It's been here quite a long time. I was just passing by, and you also have Abraham's over here. Get yourself a gyro, pizza, ice cream, nearly anything. But yeah, I've never actually been in there. That was my first time inside that place. It's pretty cool. Basically, I saw that massive 4-seater quarry game, the water buffalo game. I don't know, I'm just a fan, and being a water buffalo myself, just always like to play. It's neat having a big one. See stuff like this, look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool. Put nautical flags out here too. Everybody's such a negative Nancy about things. I think it's lovely out here. Always gotta check out the competition. Seems probably so cheap. Bad patterns, terrible printing. Well, that was a nice little endeavor.
past noon. We'll start drinking. But first, Kilgore Trout's Record Shop. Uh, 63. Oh yeah. Right? Well, it's survived about 60 years so far, so thanks, man. It's nice. That's the guy from Kilgore Trouts. Want to talk about the car? Oh, man. So of course I didn't get any content because I ended up just talking the whole time. But I did pick up a pretty consequential album. Then I looked at it every time I was in there. It was that Beach Music album. And I mean, you know, I don't need it. I can look up those songs, you know, and easily just play it on my phone anytime I want, but and there's something about that vinyl sound. It's so much better. Oh, it also conveniently has Idol with the Golden Head, which is just my favorite Beach song ever.
Bought myself an idol with a golden head. Great big idol with a golden head. Put it on a shelf right above my bed.
So yeah, at least a significantly useful stop. It'll be fun to listen to that later. It'll be good for company too. If we ever have like a backyard party or whatever. I also have a lot of luau music for that. Good times.
But usually, well, more than once.
up, bud? It's starting to get hot. Well, that sure was nice. Nice walk on the beach. Quick lunch. Go to the record shop. Decent day, man. It's really lovely out. Sun's shining, breeze blowing. What a day. Well, thanks so much for cruising with me. I'm gonna try to get up north tomorrow. Hopefully those shag lessons are back on. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can go up there. Learn how to shag after work tomorrow. And I gotta do a walkthrough sometime soon of the shop, just because we've been changing so much. It'd be nice to get a little interview. So, yeah, until next time.